Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. This one is a Designo Night Black Magno. Underneath it is a handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 577 horsepower and 627 pounds of torque. This one has 22-inch forged AMG cross-spoke black wheels, AMG V8 bi-turbo badging, exclusive interior package with AMG exclusive Napa leather with diamond quilt stitching, Napa leather dashboard, AMG badging in the headrest and floor mats, active multi-contour front seats with massage, rapid heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, trailer hitch, G63 badging, clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo covered, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, different functions for our driving. This G-Wagon has 6,412 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 certified pre-owned G63 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.